Hello everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super common issue, how to show your external hard drive on your Mac. If you've ever plugged in a hard drive and nothing happened, this video is for you. Basically, we're going to cover why your external drive might not be showing up and most importantly, exactly how to fix it. It's easier than you think. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you're new here and want more Mac tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe. Okay, let's get started. There are a few reasons why your external hard drive might be playing hide and seek. Don't worry, most of them are easily fixable. First, let's check the basics. Is the drive properly connected? Seriously, double-check the cable. Try a different USB port. Sometimes a port is just a bit finicky. If it's a powered hard drive, make sure it's plugged into the wall and switched on. Still nothing? Alright, let's move on to the software side of things. Step 1. Check Finder Preferences. This is the most common culprit. Your Mac might just be set to not show external drives on your desktop. Go to Finder. In the menu bar at the top of your screen, click Finder, and then Preferences. A window will pop up. Click on the General tab. Make sure the box next to External Disks is checked. Now, look at your desktop. Is your hard drive there? If so, great. Problem solved. If not, let's move on. Step 2. Check Disk Utility. Even if the drive isn't showing on your desktop, your Mac might still recognize it. We can check this in Disk Utility. Open Finder again. Go to the Applications folder, then find the Utilities folder, and open Disk Utility. In the left sidebar, you should see a list of all the drives connected to your Mac, including your external hard drive. If you see your hard drive listed there but it's grayed out, it means it's not mounted. To mount it, select the drive in the sidebar and then click the Mount button at the top of the window. It looks like a small plug. If it asks for a password, enter your administrator password. After a moment, the drive should mount and appear on your desktop and in Finder. Step 3. Check for compatibility and format if necessary. Warning. ****. Okay, if you still don't see your hard drive in Disk Utility, it might be a compatibility issue. Different operating systems use different file systems. Your hard drive might be formatted for Windows, NTFS, which Macs can read but not always write to. This is where it gets a little more technical, and it's super important to back up any data on the drive before proceeding. Formatting a drive will erase everything on it. If you're comfortable with this, you can reformat the drive to a Mac-compatible format like APFS or exFAT. exFAT is a good choice if you need to use the drive on both Macs and PCs.
In Disk Utility, select the drive, note the volume under it.
Click Erase at the top of the window.
Give the drive a name. Choose a format, APFS or exFAT.
Choose a scheme, usually GUID partition map is best.
Click Erase.
Again, this will erase everything on the drive. Proceed with caution.
Astérisque astérisque step 4. Check Système Information, Advanced, astérisque astérisque.
If none of the above works, there's a chance your Mac isn't even recognizing the drive is connected.
Let's check Système Information.
Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac.
Click Système Report.
In the left sidebar under Hardware, look for USB or Thunderbolt, depending on how your drive connects. See if your hard drive is listed there. If it's not listed, it's likely a hardware issue. Either the drive itself is faulty, the cable is bad, or there's an issue with your Mac's USB ports. Try a different cable, try the drive on another computer, and if possible, try a different external hard drive on your Mac to isolate the problem.
Astérisque astérisque, in conclusion astérisque astérisque.
So there you have it. A few simple steps to troubleshoot why your external hard drive isn't showing up on your Mac. Remember to double-check those cables, check your Finder preferences, dive into Disk Utility, and be very careful with formatting. Hopefully, this video has helped you get your external drive working. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.